everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add to cart on Poshmark. If you're looking for a way to add an item or a product on your shopping cart on Poshmark, then here is how you can do it. The first thing to do is to open a web browser, and into the URL box type in poshmark.com and press enter. Also, make sure that you are logged into your poshmark.com account. After logging in, you can now go ahead and find the product by filter searching from the list at the top of the screen, or simply search for the item into the search box, and then you'll be presented with the products that is based on the search results. Go ahead and select the item you'd like to add to the cart and then click on it. Now, once you open up the product, you'll be able to see the amount and other description for the item. To add the product in your shopping cart, go ahead and click on Add to Bundle. Soon after you click on the option, the item will now be added to your cart. To view your cart, click on My Bundles at the top right, and there you have the product in your list. You can now go ahead and visit this Bundles option and continue checking out with the product that is added. So that is how you can easily add the product on your shopping cart on Poshmark. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.